Hello dear student, welcome to you in today's lecture of English. Dear student, as we have already started the first one lesson of English course book and the name of it Goal Butterfingers, which we have already started it. Now let me continue the story in today's lecture. But before going to just continue the story, let first we have to just look the word meaning, which is yesterday still remain. Now let I repeat the word meaning. Now what's your work? You have to just note it down this word meaning in your notebook. So let us see. The first one, impromptu. What does it mean by it? Impromptu means without any preparation. When we start anything without any preparation, so we can give the meaning impromptu to that work. Now next one, heartily. Heartily means moving very fast. Next, morosely. Morosely means bad-tempered or short-tempered. Next, allegiance. Allegiance means support for someone. When we support to somebody, so we can give the meaning allegiance for it. Now, next one, clairvoyance. Clairvoyance means ability to predict the future. When we predict the future, जब हम किसी अपने future को predict करते हैं या उसके बारे में सोचते हैं, so we can give the meaning clairvoyance. Now, next one, turncoat. Turncoat means a person who leaves one group to join another. If he just left if a person just left one group and he wants to just join to the another group, so we can give the meaning turncoat to it. So, dear student, what you have to do, you have to just note it down this word meaning in your notebook. Now, let me continue the story, but before continue the story, we have to just recapitulate that what we have seen in previous lecture. So student, as I told you, the name of the story is Goal Butterfinger. Butterfinger means a person who drop the things always. Now it's a story of a student. Amar. Whose story is it? Yes, it's a story of Amar Kishan, who is a class 8 student, and what he decided to organize a football tournament in his school. So for it, he and his friend, they wanted to organize and they wanted just plan a format, और उसके लिए वो एक plan करते हैं. Now one more student I told you in previous lecture, whose friend Amar's friend, and whose name is Kiran. Kiran and Amar both were the good friends, but and their favorite game is football. But both they belongs and both they support to the various or different countries. And as I told you, Kiran, Amar, who support to the Spain team, and Kiran, who always support to the Brazil team, जो Brazil team को हमेशा support करता है. Now let me continue the story. So I hope, dear student, you have just take out your book and notebook also. So let me just continue. I think you have broken my toe. Amar Kishan and Kiran Reddy, class 8 student of Green Park Higher Secondary School, were great friends. But their friendship didn't extend to backing the same team in sports. As I already explained you that both were the good friends and they are in class 8 in Green Park School. But their friendship is good, but both they belongs to the they represent to the various to the different team. Now, but their friendship didn't extend to the backing the same team in sports. In football, Amar was a Manchester United fan. In football team, Amar, who is a Manchester United fan, who didn't mind supporting Barcelona or AC Milan whenever it suited him. So both are the good friends, but they both supports to the different country team. Here, Barcelona and Liverpool these are the football club. These are the names of football club जो वो different और various football club को represent करते हैं या support करते हैं. And when the World Cup began, Amar's roller coaster's path of shifting loyalties had finally led him to Spain. In this way, he was a great supporter to the Spain team, and Kiran, who was a great supporter to the Brazil team. I think you have broken my toe with your heavy bag. Trust you, Butterfingers. I think you have broken my toe. What he had done, what Amar had done, he had broken, he had fallen down his bag on his friend's toe. That's why what he said, yes, you have broken my toe with your heavy bag. Trust you, Butterfingers. Kiran grumbled and glared at his friend who was not nicknamed Butterfingers. Kiran grumbled and greeted at his friend, and he started to look at friends when they were in the class who was nicknamed Butterfingers, who was not nicknamed Butterfingers. Butterfingers, it was not nickname of the Amar. वो अमर का कोई nickname नहीं था जो दिया गया था. For nothing, Amar's reputation for dropping things had been established when he was a baby. What happened when he was baby? When Amar was a baby, so it was in his habit that to drop anything most of the time and always. His subsequent exploits only enhanced his, and his activity was increasing day by day. His parents started to just उसके पेरेंट्स ने हमेशा कोशिश की कि उसकी उसकी ये जो आदत है वो रुक जाए, बट इट couldn't, and in despair, and at last they lost their hope, and his father had given him the nickname that suited him so perfectly, and in this way this name has been given by his father to Amar, and that is perfectly suited him, और जो उसे वो perfectly suit करता था. Amar finally got the chance to disclose his great idea during lunch interval. Now it is the time when all the students are in the school. It was a recess time, it was lunch time. Amar finally got the chance to disclose his great idea during the lunch interval. And when it's time to lunch interval, he got the time to disclose his great idea with his friends. This is one of the great idea you will have to admit. Admit means accept. Now he started to discuss with his friend about the football team match, and he wanted to organize a team tournament in his school. So what does it mean by admit? Admit means accept. He began as they got ready for lunch. Listen, all of you, my idea is that we could have an inter-class football competition. What do you think? That they have to just organize a football tournament in their class, maybe only for classes 8 and 9, and it could be for classes 8 and 9. We could take on the names of a few World Cup teams and their due are. So what we have to decide, we have to just give all the sections a particular country team name. We have a World Cup tournament in Green Park School. Simple. Wonderful idea, Amar, said Ajay approvingly. So you can see in the image, you can see in the picture, all the friends are sitting during lunch time, and they started to discuss about the football team match wants to organize in their school. Said Ajay approvingly, hitting him hard on his back and sending his spoon flying. So here you can see in the picture that he started to fly his spoon in the air. Amar looking most gratified. Gratified means pleased. Gratified means pleased. So went to retrieve the spoon which had landed neatly in Minu's lunch box, sending some potato curry flying to form an intriguing pattern on her uniform. Intriguing means interesting. Intriguing means interesting pattern on her uniform. Rarely were his ideas accepted with such unbridled enthusiasm. Unbridled means extreme and not controlled. So what happened when they when in during lunchtime, when they started to discuss about the football tournament which had been which will be played in their school, they started to show their excitement with each one. Now, Amar, looking most gratified, went to retrieve the spoon which had landed neatly in Minu's lunch bag, and one of the students who fly his spoon while he was eating, and it was the spoon of with having the curry. And by this potato curry, what happened? It was an interesting pattern which was created by that potato curry जो उस स्पून में थी, उसे एक इंटरेस्टिंग पैटर्न बन चुका था उसके यूनिफॉर्म पर. Rarely were his ideas accepted with such unbridled enthusiasm, and when they started to discuss about the team match, and they were too much enthusiastic and too much overjoyed to talk about it. In fact, to have Jai in 8th A is one of the best things that could have happened, said Amar, looking at Jairam. The best football player is in our class. And now they were the student of class 8A, and what they when they talk about the match, they think that they had a good player in their class. वो क्या सोचते हैं कि उनकी जो टीम है, उनकी जो क्लास है, उनकी क्लास में बहुत अच्छे अच्छे प्लेयर्स हैं, लाइक जयराम. An exciting forward, Jairam had extraordinary athleticism. It means he is one of the good athletes. वो एक अच्छा एथलीट है, and was gifted with feet that moved with the quickness and lighting. And he was gifted by God that he moved very quickly with the quickness and lighting. These combined with his shrewd anticipation and good poaching instinct. It means Jairam is one of the good athletes who was in their own class 8A. So that's why they become too much happy कि हमारे टीम से अगर हम ऐसी टीम अरेंज करते हैं, ऑर्गेनाइज करते हैं, अगर हम कोई मैच को ऑर्गेनाइज करते हैं, तो हमारी जो क्लास है वो बहुत ज़्यादा बेहतर हो सकती है, क्योंकि उनकी क्लास में बहुत अच्छे अच्छे प्लेयर्स हैं लाइक जयराम. सो इट वॉज अ वेरी गुड थिंग फॉर दैम. Made him the most good poaching instincts, made him the most formidable soccer player of Green Park School. You bet, said Ajay. 3 cheers for Jairam, our very own Messi. Now, they were very happy to know that Jairam was in their own team. Jairam उनके own team है, उनके खुद की team है. So that's why they started to feel very happy in the during lunchtime. As everyone took up the cry, Jairam looked pleased and embarrassed at the same time. And Jairam was also feeling very happy while all the students, all his friends was giving his name and announcing his name that he is one of the good player in their class. To cover his discomfort, he mumbled, "Let's make a rough format." Now, what Jairam decided, now what we have to do, now we have already planned that we have to just play or take a match in our school about a football match. So now they started to make a format for it, that how will they make a team. I guess we can play each other once and let's make a rough format. If there are only 4 teams, I guess we can play each other once, and the 2 teams with the highest points will play the finals. Now they started to make a rough format. वो एक rough format बनाना start करते about the teams, because and they wants to take class 9 and class 8 for the football match. if there are only 4 teams, अगर सिर्फ 4 टीम होती है, आई गेस वी कैन प्ले ईच अदर वंस, सो दे कैन प्ले ईच अदर वंस, तो वो चारों टीम एक दूसरे के साथ खेल सकती है, एंड द 2 टीम्स विल बी द हाईएस्ट पॉइंट्स विल प्ले द फाइनल्स, एंड दोज 2 टीम्स विल गेट द हाईएस्ट पॉइंट्स, दे विल प्ले फाइनल मैच, और जो लास्ट की जो 2 टीम को जो हाईएस्ट पॉइंट्स मिलेंगे वो 2 टीम के बीच में क्या होगा, फाइनल मैच होगा. दिस मीन्स we will play a total of 4 matches. It means in this way they can play 4 matches, said Arun, using his fingers to arrive at the calculation. So in this way, on his finger he started to calculate how many matches will be played there. Maths was his Achilles heel. Hills means weak point. Maths is a weak subject for Arun, and he started to count the matches, that how many matches will be played between all the teams, and he was pleased to be the first one to do this calculation, and he was pleased, and in this way he was very pleased. He felt also very happy because his maths is very weak, but in this time he got the correct answer, that how many teams will be played in the final match or other matches. So in this way he felt very pleased to himself. Well done, Einstein, said Kishore, playfully slapping him on his back. That's be just 4 for our class, provided we are in the finals. In all there will be 7 matches including the finals. So well, now all in this way they had made a format. इस तरह से वो लोग फॉर्मेट बनाते हैं कि कितनी टीम्स उसमें प्ले करेगी, कितनी टीम्स खेलेगी और कौन सी टीम, और जो टीम्स जीतेंगी उनमें से कितनी टीम्स फाइनल में जाएंगी. And in all there will be 7 matches including the final. So in this way total 7 matches will be there including final 1. So here we have seen the second part, or the second part of the story. Still 2 or 3 paragraphs are still remain of the story. Now let me just continue in next period, that what happened, how they make a format for the football team, किस तरह से वो football team के लिए format बनाते हैं, and which team and what the names will be given to the various classes. So let me just see in next period. Till then, take care and bye bye. But student, again I am recalling you that it's your homework for the all day, that what you have to do while we are just learning the course book portion. So it's your work to read the story every day very carefully, underline the word meaning, as well as it's your homework to learn the word meaning also, which is you have just written in your notebook or noted down in your notebook. So I hope, dear students, you will complete your today's homework today itself, and will meet you in next video. Till then, take care and bye bye.